me, Trina from the Humble Homestead Gardenside Chat. Today I'm going to be using my dehydrator a little bit later. I have all my canning jars in the dishwasher getting clean. But first I just want to do a quick video on how to seal these canning jars so we can store these. I have to fill up a little bit more, but I just wanted to show you how I keep them sealed. The other day I dehydrated some sweet potato chips. I just kind of put some cinnamon on them and then I dehydrated them. It was a good snack. These they're just plain potatoes. I think the next time I do these, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna like shake them in some dried ranch dressing, and then do them. I think they might taste a bit better. Another thing I saw to do with sweet potatoes, which I'm gonna do, I think, because I love sweet potatoes, you can mash them and then dehydrate them and then store them. And then when you rehydrate them in water, it's like you have fresh sweet potatoes. So it's just another way. So I'm gonna go over a bunch of dehydrating tips later, but right now I just wanna show two methods to seal these jars up right now. So if you hear, click, that one was sealed really well. So the first one I'm gonna go over, the first method is with a Foodsaver. So if you have a Foodsaver, super easy method. Now these Foodsaver lids did not come with my Foodsaver. Maybe you can order them with them, but I ordered them on Amazon. You could probably find them anywhere, but I live out here, so I order Amazon a lot. Anyway, so what you do is, my Foodsaver, you have this little hole here. Sometimes I see them, they're on the outside, and this hose does come with it, but when I ordered these, it also came with another one, and it has two attachments, and you just stick one in the hole, and then this is the wide mouth one, because I have wide mouth lids. It also has a regular, and you just stick this on the top, stick this in the little hole, and then you press the seal button, and it stops when it's done. Sometimes it probably doesn't take as long when the jar is more full, but then I just, oops, that little thing came off. Pop it off, and it's sealed. So perfect. Now, for those people who do not have a Foodsaver, or I know some Foodsavers actually go through the whole sealing method and then it heats it up. And I know that can wear and tear on the Foodsavers. So I've heard some people don't like to use the Foodsavers for that. So here, this is actually just a brake bleeder. It's you can get it at any automotive store. I think you can get them for under 20 bucks. I think I got mine for once again, ordered mine on Amazon. So I think I got mine for like $15.99 or something like that. So you can get it wherever. And what it is, you just put the hose in. This has a little attachment, and I'm gonna do my regular potatoes here. Put your little jar attachment in there, and you put this in the hole. But that doesn't hold. That's right. So you gotta kind of hold it. I rest it on the counter because, you know, my wrist stuff. I don't want to, so it gives a little leverage. And then you just squeeze and pump it up to 15. 15 is a good number. That way you make sure it's good and sealed. There. A couple more. Now, I lift this up. And there we go. It is sealed. So those are the two methods that I use. Also, one other thing I was going to show you. Buy these oxygen packs. I know a lot of people swear by them and they use the oxygen packs. For a lot of my stuff, I'm not going to use them. But when I do go to dehydrating like ground beef or things with chicken, because I'm going to make some meals, I'll do meals in a jar. Like I might just do a whole jar of chicken noodle soup, or actually I don't know if I'll do chicken noodle soup, but I'll do chicken soup, and I'll do like some, you know, just different soups and hot dishes. And when I have those that have maybe meat in them or things that I'm a little more concerned about, you can just put these little oxygen packs in there, and it also sucks the air right out. I know some people just use these to seal their jars. I'll probably put one in a jar and then seal it on top of that, and then keep the lid on them. So that's what I do, and that's how I seal my jars. So yeah, so now I'm gonna dehydrate some apple chips. I'm gonna make some fruit leather, see how that turns out, because when my grandson comes over for the weekend in a couple weeks, I thought that would be something really fun to make with him. Yes, I don't have my garden going now, but I have been getting some really good deals on some organic stuff through an online ordering company called Misfits. I'm not sponsored by them or anything, but it's been kind of fun. I just get whatever they have on sale, and using that for now. When I get my garden stuff, this is how I'm going to preserve it for the winter. I'll eat fresh whatever I can, but what I can, I'm gonna preserve stuff like this. And I'll go over more of this in upcoming videos, and then show you how I've seen how they rehydrate it. And it's great. I'm really excited about it. So thanks for watching. Have a great day and be blessed.